Look around any social feed today, and you are instantly hit with a relentless stream of content spawned by automation. Algorithms ingest billions of data points and spit out polished images, copy, and video in milliseconds. This system bypasses sketching, drafting, and human thought to deliver a finalized asset instantly. This chart maps the reality of frictionless creation, speed of production on the x-axis against distinctive quality on the y-axis. As production time drops towards zero, uniqueness plunges. This bottom right cluster represents today's digital marketing, instantly generated posts completely devoid of distinction. This creates a market choked by sameness. Everywhere a consumer looks, brands are broadcasting the exact same homogenized aesthetic. Your thumb knows it before your brain does. The second a user detects that sterile, machine-made texture, muscle memory kicks in and they swipe past. The eye glides over media that lacks a human soul. Content requires zero human effort to make, rarely commands any attention from the target audience. To actually stop a scrolling thumb, we have to step completely out of that digital noise and back into an empty, physical workspace. Capturing a real audience requires accepting the friction of manual work. We must reject the instant prompt and choose the slow reality of a blank canvas. Here in Central Florida, that physical workspace is the foundation of our entire studio. I'm Brendan, the owner of Novo Media. My approach to creative services relies on a single operating philosophy. The work must be built, not generated. Building requires time, specific intention, and actual physical interaction with the tools of the trade. This diagram shows the difference in methodology. The top path is generation, one click, a straight line, and an immediate result. The bottom path is craftsmanship. It requires a looping series of nodes dedicated to iterative refinement. Inside these nodes are the thousands of micro-decisions a human makes, adjusting a light source, tweaking the rhythm of a cut, or rewriting a headline until it breathes naturally. Algorithms can't replicate these manual adjustments. Those tiny, deliberate human nuances act as visual anchors. They signal to the viewer's subconscious that another person actually spent time putting the piece together. The value of the media is tied directly to the visible, manual effort of the creator. That focus on the work is why the Novo Media website is currently sitting as an active construction zone. I'm building out the site while making things for others. My hours are fully consumed by designing bespoke solutions for active clients. It would be easy to auto-generate a polished corporate facade. Leaving the site raw and unfinished proves our studio prioritizes client deliverables over self-promotion. A craftsman whose hands are tied up in real client work is a more reliable indicator of quality than a flawless marketing site built by a bot. All of that solitary effort pays off when we sit down to present the final product to a client. Carefully crafted media forces the audience to break their scrolling habit and actively engage with the screen. This loop illustrates relational ROI. When a viewer spots the marks of actual craftsmanship, they stop looking for a sales pitch and start listening to a person. That recognition creates a bridge of trust that turns a passive impression into a client relationship. For local Central Florida businesses, displaying that level of genuine effort provides a significant advantage in a market crowded with automated noise. The ultimate deliverable isn't just a media file. It's the enduring human connection that file facilitates between you and your customer. I put in the time to build things the right way. If you need to cut some of the noise with professional, built-from-scratch creative services, let's talk about how we can partner up. If I can't help you with your specific project right now, don't be a stranger. Let's go grab a beer sometime anyway. You can reach out directly via email or give me a call at the number on the screen. In a digital landscape full of automated noise, the work that stands out is the work that still feels like it was made by hand.